Hello all, welcome to my channel SPS Physics Classes by S. Fanindra Sharma. Now let us see the first question. As shown in the figure, a force of F is equal to 4 mg newtons is applied on the pulley. Find out acceleration of the blocks m and as well as 3m. The given options are 2g, g, g, 0, 0, g, 2g, 0. We have the four options. How to solve this particular question in the examination within less time? That is very important thing. Please look at here. Let us consider the free body diagram for the first object. Let us take M and free body diagram for the block 3M. And most important thing is free body diagram for moving pulley P. So let us consider moving pulley contains P symbol in the given problem. Now if we consider this is the pulley. Now upward we are applying a force of F, and below whatever the tension, I mean this T and T, we are imagining that T and T are nothing but tension in the strings, therefore 2T comes here. So as the object is being moved in the forward direction, therefore we can write down as, because it is a massless pulley we are considering, ideal pulley, therefore mass of the pulley is 0, and hence F is equal to, you can write down as 2T, or T is equal to, you can write down what? F by 2. That means you can write down as 4 mg by 2. Therefore tension in each string given by T is equal to, we can write down as 2 mg. So this is the tension in the given string. We got the value of tension. Now come to the block of mass 3m. What happened? Let's see. Now by preparing free body diagram for 3m, so 3 mg because of gravitation force acts in downward direction, tension in the string T acts in the upward direction. What is the value of tension we got? Tension T is equal to 2 mg. Note that is in the given problem 3 mg value is greater than that of 2 mg. Therefore the acceleration of block becomes 0. Why? Because the block is at rest on the ground. The block will experience, or block will exert more force compared to the tension in the cable. Now come to the free body diagram for small m. In the free body diagram for small m, vertically downward direction gravitation force of capital Mg we can imagine, and vertically upward direction tension in the problem T we can write down. In the given problem we got the tension is equal to how much here? 2 mg. Therefore tension T is equal to mg. No doubt that is tension is dominating than mg, therefore acceleration of object will be in the forward direction. As a result you can write down as 2 mg minus mg called as net force. Like on Newton's second law, net force is always equal to, you can write down as ma in the problem. Therefore upon equating them we got the value of acceleration is equal to 2 mg minus mg, means you can write down as mg. Mm cancel on both sides. We got the value of ag in what direction? Upward direction. So therefore in the given problem, acceleration of small m and acceleration of 3m is how much they are asking. Acceleration of m is nothing but g in upward direction, and acceleration of second body is 0. Therefore we have to choose the second option is correct for the given question. Thank you. Find out direction and magnitude of speed of mass m0 in the given problem. First option given as u plus u0 by 2, u minus 2u0 by 2, u minus 2u, u by 2. We have the totally 4 options given in the problem. Let us see one by one. Now in the given case, the problem belongs to the variable pulley model question. Whenever a constraint is given for the variable pulley model questions, we have to take care that the important relation, shortcut or hint, that is nothing but xp, displacement of pulley is equal to displacement of the first side and displacement of second side, and then average we have to take. This is a shortcut, very important thing, where one indicate left side and two indicate right side for the pulley. That's it. That means if suppose one side is fixed, it is not moving, then you can take x1 as 0. Enter side only moving, that means x2 only you have to take care. Like that you can imagine in the given problem. Upon doing differentiation, we got the value of velocity of pulley is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2. This is the formula we have to follow in the given problem. How do we was obtain this one? Once more I am repeating, this is from the pulley constraint. From the pulley constraint, one of the law is nothing but the displacement of the pulley is always equal to the average of left side and right side of the displacement. That is a rule of the pulley constraint. Please take care. Upon just differentiating, we got the velocity of pulley is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2. Now velocity of pulley u in upward direction, therefore u is equal to velocity of the left side. So this will be in the forward direction, take it as u0, and we have to find out the value of what here? v2 we have to follow by what we write down? 2. When this block is going up, no doubt that is m0 will be falls down. I mean it will comes in the downward direction, moves in downward direction. So therefore, in the given problem we can write down finally it will be in downward direction. We will try to find out that magnitude. So upon multiplying by 2 we have 2u is equal to u0 plus v2 or v2 is equal to u0 minus 2u. So therefore upon carefully looking the system we got the value of third one is the correct answer. And in the options they will try to indicate upside, downside, downside, upside, like that different options will be given in the combination, possible combinations. Carefully you have to take care. After even determination, sometimes the fourth option also be like this, u0 minus 2u0, upward and downward, two options are given. Please take care what option is correct. So let us use the Now, let us see the third question for the today's class. The ratio of displacement of springs as per the arrangement S1 is to S2 is how much? So in the given problem, S1 is the first spring, S2 is the second spring, having the spring constants K and K given means they are identically equal with each other. But the displacement of first spring is Y1 and the displacement of second spring is nothing but Y2. So, given options are 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1 and 2 is to 3. We have to find out the ratio of displacements. How to find out this? Solution is like this. Let us try to apply the pulley constraint. What is pulley constraint? Displacement of pulley is always equal to left side displacement plus right side displacement and take them as average. That's it. So here it is arrested to the ground. Therefore here we can take as 0. And another one displacement will be y2 here, xp pulley displacement is y1 already given in the problem. Therefore y1 is equal to 0 plus this is y2 by 2 we have to take. So therefore y1 is equal to y2 by 2 upon just preparing this y1 in the denominator, y1 by y2 is equal to calculated as 1 is to 2. Therefore in the given problem 1 is to 2 option, second one, this is going to the correct answer.